Hello, and welcome to this behind the scenes tour of my Crystals for Intuitive Tarot course. In this course, you'll discover the deeper wisdom of the tarot and learn practical techniques for working with crystal energy as part of your tarot cartomancy practice. You'll explore new ways to develop and tune into your intuition by learning how to use your crystals in your tarot card readings. This in-depth course is broken into 15 smaller lessons and includes 15 different training videos totaling over 2.5 hours of instruction. There are also 17 bonus handouts and an exclusive printable crystal tarot deck. You'll also find a 40-page printable daily card pull journal to track your insights. So let's take a look at what's included together. The 2.5-hour course is broken into 15 smaller video lessons that range in length. There's one video for each module, and each module also includes a downloadable and printable slideshow. The topics covered in this course include crystals for setting the stage and creating sacred space, crystals to ground and center yourself, crystals to call in the elements, crystals to awaken your intuition before a reading, wearing crystal jewelry as a personal talisman for intuition and communication, working with crystals to provide more depth to your card readings, incorporating crystals into readings for your clients, creating your own crystal tarot set and creating crystal tarot correspondences, instructions for working with your crystal tarot set, creating crystal essences for embodying the archetypal energies of the tarot, creating a crystal grid for tarot meditation, crystals to keep your cards cleared and shielded between readings, the 10 best crystals for tarot card readings, and a tarot spread for learning about the energy of a crystal. There are lots of bonus handouts included too, like this Building Your Sacred Space to Go kit, a quick reference to tarot and crystal correspondences, an in-depth Learn the Tarot guidebook, which includes helpful information about card spreads, as well as a reference guide to all 78 cards in the tarot, giving the upright and reverse meanings. This course also includes an exclusive printable crystal tarot deck that you can print and use just like any other deck in your toolkit. And finally, there's a daily tarot journal that talks about the importance of building a relationship with your tarot deck, as well as creating space for you to record your daily card draws. If you love working with tarot cards and you love crystals, this course is perfect for you, so I hope to see you in class.